Is it safe to wash white clothes with colors?
Hello there. Today we're going to tackle a common laundry question. Can I wash white clothes with colors without causing any damage to the whites? It's a great question, and the answer isn't quite as simple as yes or no, so let's break it down.
Understanding color bleeding.
The main concern when washing white clothes with colored ones is the risk of color bleeding. Color bleeding occurs when dyes transfer from colored clothes to whites, discoloring them. This is especially likely with new, brightly colored clothes or clothes that aren't color fast.
When is it safe?
There are times when it may be relatively safe to wash whites and colors together. If you're washing clothes that you've washed many times before, the risk of color bleeding is lower. That's because any excess dye likely washed out in previous laundry cycles. But remember, it's never completely risk-free.
How to wash whites with colors safely.
If you decide to wash whites with colors, there are some precautions you can take. Wash in cold water. Hot water can make colors bleed more easily. Use a color catcher. These are sheets you can add to your laundry load that are designed to absorb loose dyes in the water. Don't overload your washing machine. Clothes need space to move around in the wash, which helps prevent color transfer.
Tips to maintain the brightness of whites.
Even if you're washing whites separately, here are some tips to keep your whites bright. Use a laundry detergent that's designed for whites. Add a laundry booster, like baking soda or distilled white vinegar, to your wash. Dry whites outside, if possible. The sun has a natural bleaching effect. In conclusion, while it's generally safer to wash whites separately to avoid discoloration from color bleeding, it can be done under careful conditions. Just remember that it always carries a risk. Hopefully, these tips help you keep your white clothes bright and stain-free. Happy Laundry Day!